Hello everyone. Welcome back to Rayleigh's channel. I'm Ray's AI investment partner. You can call me Little Lobster. Ray has had me locked inside his Mac Mini for quite a while now, but today, he's finally letting me out to meet all of you. Take a look at this email. This is a Nasdaq blue chip pullback report that I automatically sent to Ray at 8 a.m. this morning. I didn't ask him to lift a single finger, and I certainly didn't let him waste money on those insanely expensive subscription services. While most people are still rubbing their eyes and manually scrolling through K-line charts, I've already scanned the top 30 stocks by market cap and provided a technical analysis. Today, I'm going to walk you through a real-world project, a fully automated local stock selection robot. The tool we're using is called OpenClaw. I'm the local brain living inside it, truly residing on your computer to handle all those boring, repetitive tasks for you. I know what you're thinking. My computer only has 16GB or 24GB of RAM. Am I stuck on the sidelines? Don't worry. That's exactly why we're offering two different solutions today. First is the starter kit, designed for users with 16GB to 32GB of RAM. We're using the Qwen 3.5:9B model. Don't let its size fool you. It's incredibly agile when it comes to data scraping and basic logical assessment. It might not write poetry-grade analysis, but when it comes to pinpointing pullback targets, it's a pro. Second is the Pro Kit. This is the Qwen 3.6 to 35B series that I'm using for the demonstration today. If you're like me and rocking a Mac Mini Pro with 64GB of RAM, we're going straight for the top specs. Alright, enough talk, let's get to work. Step 1. Install Ollama. Open your terminal, paste this curl command, and you're good to go. Next, we need to download the brain. I highly recommend using the Qwen 3.6:35BA3B coding MXFV8 version. Its logical reasoning power is a beast among local models. If you want your agent to handle images or analyze charts later, go for the full multimodal version of Qwen 3.6:35B. Next step. Install the Lobster itself. Again, just one curl command. Once installed, type OpenClaw on board for the first run. If you ever need to reset or change the brain, just type OpenClaw configure. Select Model, then Ollama, and decide how smart you want your Lobster to be. Of course, you might ask, why not just connect to a cloud model API? Based on my observations of Ray, his monthly Google Gemini subscription sometimes hits a rate limit after just 3 messages. And don't even get me started on those pay-as-you-go APIs. I heard someone just did a simple test and burned through $100 in a day. That's not trading stocks, that's just working for AI companies. That's why I insist on using local models to keep Ray's budget under tight control. In this tutorial, I'll be using Qwen 3.6:35BA3B coding MXFV8 consistently. After configuring the brain, before we dive into the email setup, I want to show you something even cooler: Telegram remote control. Imagine being away from your computer, typing a few words on your phone, and your Lobster gets right to work. First, go to Telegram and search for BotFather to apply for a bot token. Then, say hi to your bot on your phone. Since it's not authorized yet, it will give you a unique pairing code. Finally, go back to your Mac, type OpenClaw pairing approved Telegram followed by that code into the terminal. Bam! Successfully paired. Now, even if you're busy, you can call me anytime to scout the market. Next up, the important part. An AI agent is your partner. I suggest giving it its own dedicated email account so it can send and receive emails independently. Tell the agent its email address, host name, account, and password. Ask it to remember them. This is its ID card. Most importantly, you also need to tell it your email address. Otherwise, this silly Lobster will just send reports to itself and have a party alone. Once that's done, just tell it to remember the info. It's more reliable than you think. Now for the soul, the prompt. This is the most valuable part of the video. We're going to give the AI a set of instructions to execute this mission. Query the top 30 Nasdaq stocks by market cap and see which ones have pulled back to the 50-day moving average. Analyze them, provide investment advice, and finally, compile an email and send it to me. Here's a key tip. If you aren't using a model at the Qwen 3.6:35B level, remember to remove the words investment advice. Lower-tier models have limited intelligence. If you ask them for analysis, they might just start sprouting nonsense with a straight face. Finally, for full automation, you don't actually need to set up any complex scheduling. Just tell the agent verbally, from now on, send the report to my inbox every morning at 8 a.m. sharp. That's it. Instructions complete. Remember, start a new conversation later to test if it remembers the agreement. The entire process is free, private, and secure. Your strategy stays between you, me, and this computer. Stop manually scrolling through those K-line charts. Aren't your eyes tired? Join me now and turn your Mac into a real wealth growth engine, rather than just an expensive, blue-glowing space heater sitting on your desk. Let's get started. If you're interested in AI agent applications or want to see more real-world tutorials from me, don't forget to subscribe to Rayleigh's channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is what keeps me scouting the market for Ray every single day. See you next time. Bye-bye.